everyone. I am Ravi Shankar Pal from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. In today's video lectures, I will explain about and tell about the topics to be covered in Unit 1 of Data Structure. The topics to be covered in Unit 1 is first we will discuss about the basic of data structure and types of different data structures. And after that, we will discuss about the analysis of algorithms in terms of time and space complexity. In this topic, we will discuss that the which algorithm is best in terms of time and space. And after that, we will discuss about the different type of asymptotic notations, that is big O, that is big omega and big theta. These are also known as upper bound, lower bound and average bound, which is used to represent a function of time complexity. After that, we will discuss about the representation of array and find out the address of particular location of an array in one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, and similarly three-dimensional and n-dimensional array. After that, we will discuss about the introduction of linked list and comparison between linked list and array. And in continuation to that, we will discuss about how to implement the linear linked list as well as different primitive operations of the linked list like traversing, searching, insertion, and deletion. In continuation to that, we will also discuss different type of linked list, that is linear linked list, circular linked list, W linked list, and W circular linked list. And similarly, we will discuss about all the operations in these linked list like traversing, searching, and insertion at different positions. Similarly, deletions at different positions, reverse the linked list, print the reverse linked list, etc. Thank you for listening.